Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We'll be doing chicken today. This is a teaspoon of salt, a nutmeg, teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of cinnamon. We'll mix that one together. 1 cup of sugar. Also mixed it. I will be using 2 eggs. 2 eggs for this. Also mixed. So I will be adding the vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I mixed it too. At this point, I will add the butter, 1 cup of butter. And I will use my hand to do that. So this is how the flour look like now after mixing all the dry ingredients and the vanilla extract and the butter. So I will add milk now. I use 1 whole cup of milk, which is 300 ml, and it's condensed milk. I will also go off camera for this too. Mix it properly around before I start adding water if it's necessary. Okay, so after mixing the milk into the flour, this is what we got. So I will be adding water little by little. This is 1 cup of water, but I'm not sure I will finish them. Use according to how you want your dough to be. Okay, so this is how the dough look like. Now I just have to clean here up so I can get this place for that. See, the grooves are broken. What do you mean? Okay. So you always have to have a dry flowers around you. Should in case you're too soft, your doughs are too soft or too strong, you have the water around. Too soft, you have the flour around to do it. So let me say I use a 1/2 cup of water plus the milk I used, and the milk was not finished, so this is the remaining one I have. So yeah, I will leave the dough, just cut it small. Yeah, I will just wrap them. So I just leave it for like 1/2 an hour, not really long time like that. Okay. Just trying to smooth it and as much as you can. I will use different angle. I don't stay one place to smooth it. Okay, I'm just going to cut some. Okay, I will just do this. Okay, I think this one will just do too white. Let me use this. Okay. Okay, I will start with this one. So I'm going to start cutting this kind of style first. This end part will always be there. So yeah, I like to separate them because of the way we mixed it, so they won't gum together. But this take long time. If you are doing a lot of one, you should also use another idea, which you can use this big one and then just do it one time. But for me, since it's just only this one we're doing, I think I have much time to do all that. Okay, second one. It's repeat process. Just continue doing same thing, especially if you are cutting the same style like right now. Unless you are changing style, you want to do twist, or you want to cut the regular size, or you want to do the round one. So in that case, you have to change. But like right now, this is the style I'm using. Same process. I will show you guys later. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. So if you're going to start, since we already cut it this way, if you want to start it, the best way, just cut that part first. You come back for that one later, like this. So you can get the straight and the kind of one you want to cut. Okay, let me take it back. Some of them have cut. This one is the second one actually. I think that middle one is not cutting properly, just for me to reshape it so you can do once. The two last line they cut properly, but the other one. So if you have this kind of one come out like this, just take style. they shaping now. You see, at least, yeah, the same thing. Okay. So now I can have time to do this one. Let me just remove this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we just continue same until I want to change shape. So this is our second star. Just okay. Our third dough. Just pull this one behind and then yeah, continue the other one. These are the one that we cut for the other style, so I'm just trying to cut it to match with what, even if it's not the same style, just to, you know. This one is not too big. Instead of too small, better big, so they all will done the same time. Just want to check it if the oil is hot enough. Of course it's hot. I'm just waiting for it to rise there. I hope it's not going to be gum. Yeah, it's coming up. Good job, good job, good job. So I can add now. Okay, two of them are enough, or even 1.5. Let me do 1.5, so it will not be too much. And remember, you have to also turn it. Do not use strong spoon or like iron spoon. See? Yeah. Also avoid pots that burn fast. When the oil is already hot, also low the heat. Okay, thank you guys. So I usually flatten it from different angle so that it can go smooth and maybe same size. So this is the last one. I will just start from this side. Some parts do not have, so but I just want to, yeah. You have to control it. It's like the middle one here is softer than them, and then if you lean on it also, it will break or bend. However, we must find a way to use things that do not have mouth. Yeah, so that's, I think this particular size shape is easy to cut. See, if you don't have this cutter, this one particular one is pizza cutter actually. It's not for chicken. The other one I used before is for the chicken one. This pizza one, because it's one, is easy to control. But if you want to buy, maybe you just, or you want to order, just do the one that less, so it's easy to control. You can see for these few minutes I'm done cutting this one. So we cut this shape for 2 dough, and we cut the other shape for 2 dough. So we don't cut in the chicken right now. We should be going for the frying session. Hey. Okay, so this one is ready. I'm taking it out. The oil have too much. If you're having this kind of deep pan, not too wide for the chicken to be spread, 1 spoon of it is enough. Remember that one is not full, so that's 1 spoon there. This is the last one for this shape. Okay. This is the last one. You can see how the oil is dirty now. You have some kind of flour, those excess flour under and all that. Little ones that burn. So we just leave this one for a few minutes, then we'll take it out. This is our last chicken for the day. So we really appreciate you. Thank you. Please, when you washed it and you try to do your part, please let us know how it go. Thank you for all. Yeah, we're done with our chicken, and we have 2 shapes of chicken here. We use 2 dough for this, we use 2 dough on this. And remember, it's 6 cups of flour that we use. We really appreciate you all. Please try. This chicken is so delicious. I don't know how to say it, but however, good. Please help us to subscribe and share. Like, we need you to grow, and as we are trying our best to show you some of our skill, please help us. We appreciate it. Thank you. It takes us 2 hours to make all this chicken, actually, both the mixing time, the cutting, the frying time. Yeah, 2 hours. So don't let the hours the way we used to do it before longer. Don't let that one deceive you. Please try. Thank you. Bye bye.